Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today I'm going to walk you through how to log into your Shopify store quickly, confidently, and with zero confusion. Whether you're just getting started with Shopify or you've got a few different shops running, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to access your account and navigate to the right store every single time. Let's get right to it. First, we're going to head to the official Shopify website. You can simply type Shopify.com into your browser and hit enter. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the very top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Login. That's your gateway. Go ahead and click it. This is the point where Shopify is making sure you're you, and they give you a couple of options, so let's slow it down for a moment. You'll see some fields to enter your email address and password if you've created a Shopify-specific login. This is perfect if you've set up a unique password for your business, but maybe you're someone who likes to streamline things and you use Google for secure sign-ins. If that's the case, look for the option that says Continue with Google. It's usually right there, fairly prominent, and clicking it takes you straight into your familiar Google login process. Here, where it gets really easy. Click the Continue with Google button, and a window pops up listing all the Google accounts you currently use on your device. If you're like me and you have a personal email, a work email, maybe one for projects or side hustles, just select the account that's linked to your Shopify store. This helps ensure you're logging into the correct business account, especially if you manage multiple shops or work across different brands. Once you've entered your credentials, Shopify will direct you to your admin dashboard, but before you start working, there's one more small step. At the top right corner of this new page, you'll see your profile icon, usually your initials or if you've customized it, your photo. Click this profile button. This brings up a drop-down menu in here where you'll see something called All Stores. Imagine this like stepping into a hallway with doors leading to each business you own or manage. If you only have one store, it'll show up right away and you can click to jump in. But if you have 2, 3, or more stores associated with your account, Shopify will neatly list them all. Take a moment here, there's no rush. Look for the name of the store you want to work on today and click that. Shopify will take you straight into the admin panel for that store, ready for you to start updating products, tweaking your design, or checking your orders. And that's really all there is to it. As you get more comfortable with Shopify, logging in becomes second nature. If you ever forget which email you used, don't worry, Shopify and Google are both great at helping you recover your credentials, and you can always go back to the All Stores list to double-check you're in the right place. The key thing is to notice those little details, like your profile icon and the All Stores dropdown, especially if you're juggling lots of shops. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to hit like. It really does help out the channel and lets me know you're getting value. Got a question about Shopify or run into trouble with login? Drop your comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. And for more clear, useful tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.